that 1 hour is not a show.
It's not a show.
Mama highlight.
It's a magic.
Lapa salikudisa utisenzane empilweni. Lapa bakaramiswa nalento shata.
Amadoda ngenabafazi.
Amadoda ngenabafazi wathola everywhere.
Anyway.
Uyakhona ubathole ePeters Bay.
Uyithole eMafika.
Uyathole eDurban.
Uyithole eMpumalanga.
Wajabula umama uyayazi eMpumalanga. Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, Tana. Check the Sibuya kude 1,000 kilometers away. Izoshanya lapha khona.
Government to government.
Home affairs to home affairs.
Zimbabwe sine too strong church.
Zimbabwe sine too strong church.
Amashoni eHarare.
Okay.
Namanjebele kwaBulawayo.
Yes, uyakhona thina.
Amashoni eHarare bathi sagerere chikwata.
Yebo.
Amanjebele kwaBulawayo bathi ungaligere licembe.
Right.
Amazulu eGoli bathi ungadeleli sayo.
Okay.
AmaNigeria athi kutoka
Ngiyacela abantu beSouth Africa lisinothi kakhulu.
Respect the melody.
Sibuya ku-free country with democracy.
Free and fair election.
1 year more.
No president anymore.